global warming itself is a crock of bull.
30 years' time, Millennium Island will simply not exist.
No, Lulu, you're going to lose Kiribati as a country, and you know that.
Maori and hello. My name is Kairuru Lulu DeBoer, and I am a climate change warrior. I am also the director and producer of Millennium Island. Millennium Island is much more than just an epic documentary with global implications. It's a personal story, because this is my family, this is my culture, and these are my people who are facing the worst of climate change. Growing up in Gilmer, Texas, a small town in the rural South, I recognized very early on that people would not listen to a political documentary, and people would not listen to a scientific documentary, that I needed to touch the hearts of those here in the States. And I know that it's my responsibility as an Kiribati and as an American to make this film a reality. I have been an independent filmmaker for years, and I know what it means to do more with less. Ever since I've graduated school, I've just been working for free on this project, Millennium Island. Now, we have received research and development funding from ITVS and Pacific Islanders in Communications. And though these grants have been instrumental to the success of the movie so far, we are in the middle of a grant season, which means there's nothing left from the grant applications that would come in time for me to go back and film my second subject. My second character, Miraka, my stepbrother, is the hope of the future for Kiribati. He is one of many young Kiribati students who is competing for the annual scholarship, and the scholarship happens in December. So the $15,000 goal that we've set now is just barely enough money for me to go back in December and film him through this process. But it won't be enough to bring the rest of the crew with me. I am declaring a $30,000 stretch goal. Why a $30,000 stretch goal? Well, this is what it takes to bring the entire crew back. So I have an amazing, experienced, and capable team, and I am fighting ignorance with the power and the emotion of film. But one warrior alone cannot stand up to the entire world. This is why I need your help. You can also join this amazing movement to bring Kiribati culture to the forefront and to show the entire global community that climate change is existing right now and is harming people right now all over the globe. Our top pledges will get not only a handcrafted shark tooth sword, but also 2 tickets to see the Millennium Island premiere in Kiribati. Other pledges will also receive really exclusive background emails to see for yourself the entire process behind the making of Millennium Island. As a climate change warrior, you can join by pledging here at Kickstarter at Millennium Island. But you could also support us by liking us on Facebook, facebook.com/Millennium Island. And you can check out the rest of the Millennium Island web series on YouTube at youtube.com/Lulu DeBoer. I've been trying for 7 years now to make this very movie. Kiribati is a unique and beautiful place. There is no such thing as homelessness, and there is no such thing as an orphan, because we have the love of the people and the communities around us. And if I can just give you a percentage of the love that I felt from this place, of the love that I felt from my family here, then maybe, just maybe, people could find it in their hearts to care about the destruction of this nation. I am a climate change warrior, but one warrior alone does not make an army. I need your help. I need your pledge today to make this movie a reality. We have to adapt not just the people of Kiribati, but as an entire global community.